Can you explain how to understand what the iwconfig command displays in Ubuntu 9.04? I'm having trouble making my wireless connection work, and I realized I don't really know how to use the tools I have, in this case, the iwconfig command in Ubuntu 9.04. Here is what I get when I run iwconfig. Network is the name of my wireless network, by the way. But what does this all mean? How can this information help me acquire a working wireless connection? When I try associating a key using, I get the following error message. I do have the right key though, so what's the problem?
Valon 0 IEEE 802.11 BGN ESID means your card supports 802.11b/g/in standards and you are currently not connected to any network. ESID, the name identifying network is empty. Mode managed. Operating mode for the device. Depending on your card, you may select one of these. Ad hoc, network composed of only one cell and without access point. Managed, node connects to a network composed of many access points, with roaming. Master, the node is the synchronization master or acts as an access point. Repeater, the node forwards packets between other wireless nodes. Secondary, the node acts as a backup master/repeater. Monitor, the node is not associated with any cell and passively monitor all packets on the frequency. Auto. Frequency: 2.412 GHz. Or channel, same as you see in GUI tools to manage wireless cards, you may input either frequency or channel number. Access point, not associated. Gives you exact MAC address of app you're connecting to. If you have multiple apps in your network and you'd like to figure out to which app you're connected. TX power equals 20 dBm. This is your card's transmit power, basically the higher, the more energy your card will require. Retry min limit: 7. This option describes retry behavior of your card. RTSTHR off. This describes whether your card checks for clear channel every time it sends a packet. This may improve performance in some cases. Fragment THR equals 2352B. This describes maximum packet size your card will send. Basically, if you have a noisy environment, the smaller the packets, the less probable is that your packet would have to be retransmitted, and if it would happen, the less data would have to be transmitted. According to manual, if this value is higher than maximum packet size, the card may send several packets together. Power management off. This option gives information about power management your card use. You may choose to discard some packages, cast and macast, set your card's activity cycles and some other options. Link quality: 0 signal level: 0 noise level: 0. If your card is connected, this is where you'd be looking for link quality. Signal level and noise level may be given dBm or any arbitrary unit. RX invalid NWIT: 0, RX invalid crypt: 0, RX invalid frag: 0. Some statistics about errors during receiving: NWIT means that probably there's another network in your neighborhood using the same channel as yours. Invalid crypto is a number of packet your card was unable to decrypt. Invalid fragmentation means there were some packets missing. TX excessive retries: 0. This is the number of packets your card was unable to deliver. All above is based on uconfig manual, you may find HTML version here. If you're going to configure your card using command line tools, be sure to turn Network Manager off and use Sadi's answer. If you have your key as a text, use instead of.
I'm surprised no one has bothered to mention this in the answers above, but it sounds like you're really trying to get the Wi-Fi connection to work under Linux, not so much to understand each iconfig parameters in all its gory details. With this in mind, it's crucially important to point out that iconfig does not support WPA/WPA2 negotiation and AMP authentication when connecting to a VLAN network. That is to say, the only Wi-Fi networks you can connect to with iconfig are open unencrypted networks and web-enabled networks. Now the reason you're getting this strange error is because iconfig is expecting a WEP key for the key parameter. Because of the way WEP works, this key has to meet one of these conditions. ASCII string that's exactly 5 characters in length. ASCII string that's exactly 13 characters in length. Hexadecimal string that's exactly 10 characters in length. Hexadecimal string that's exactly 26 characters in length. Of course your key is 6 characters, so this won't work and thus the error. Note that my underscore key technically isn't a valid PSK either. WPA/2 requires a minimum of 8 characters. All this begs the question, so how do you connect to a WPA/WPA2 ICE-enabled VLAN? The answer is you have to use yet another program like WPA_supplicant. If you're not too crazy about the command line method, using a GUI network manager like WEP Manager will make this process much more seamless. Any secure Wi-Fi network won't be using WEP since it's broken, so it's important to realize iconfig by itself can't connect to the more secure WPA/WPA2.
Just edit /etc/network/interfaces and write. After that, write and close file and use command.
For people with a set encode problem, try what Carlanga user wrote in this blog. Clear everything and leave only. Then, restart.
If you want to support the please press necessary.